Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up the Microsoft Edge browser on INFINIX Zero Ultra. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, try to find Microsoft Edge. Select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to run it. Here we can sign in to turn on synchronization. We can also skip this step. There's a setup for data sharing preferences. If you want, you can accept or disagree with it. Click on confirm when it's ready. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And from here we can start browsing. So open any website. And as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.